Hello, so this is the second video in continuation for the Arduino PLC IDE. So here I will be walking you through more details on the programming part, what all the language supported. So these are the different options which we can see. So let's create a new program. So the language supported are instruction list, FBD, ladder, ST, and SFC. So let's create a program on FBD. So mostly a lot of people develop a program with FBD and ladder in the OT world. So I have just assigned it to a task. So let's walk through the different options. So we have function blocks, different variable settings which we can provide it here. We can define the variables again in the top. So I have I'm defining it in the text structure text format, not in the grid view. So it is pretty easy to do. Just define a local variables. So a few local variables we will define, and okay, so it is coming in the grid view also. So pretty handy. So normally in a video like that, we get on top some options to drag and drop, but I'm not seeing it here. Maybe I'm missing something. So let's go to different options. So I'll create it from the new object. So function block. I will choose a function block. So we will get all the function blocks which are listed inside the IDE, and we can choose any of them. So I will go to the basic as of flip-flop. Select, define the instance name. So it is pretty same, nothing different till now. And we need to connect the variables. So again, we have option to connect the variables like this, and we can browse different variables. Oh, so it is telling the invalid name. I don't know, maybe something different we need to try. So okay, let me rename if these are some internal variables, but it should not be. Let me check this. We cannot even drag and drop from there directly on. Okay, so right now if you see, it is not dynamically updating. Still it is the old value when I update it. So maybe I need to save it or come. Okay. Okay, so this is updated. Okay, still it is invalid name. So I think something I'm missing it here. So let me try a different option. Let me see if they have another option to put the names here. I think that question mark I removed, so it is not showing me the local variables. So we need to have the question marks for the local variables. Let me drag and drop. And okay, so it is taking. So I think from the from the left hand side where we define all the local variables, we can drag and drop over the function blocks, so it will get connected, but it is not happening from the top view, from the text view. So I cannot drag and drop, it is not allowing me. So only from the left hand panel we can drag and drop on the function block, and that is okay. one. So okay, so this is another thing. So once, I think we need to keep saving the files always, otherwise we will lose the content. It is okay. Create it again. Let's save it. So select this a fifth floor, drag and drop, provide the instance name, and here we go. So again we will follow the same route. We will drag and drop it here. It is pretty same as other IDE in the FB, so but we cannot drag and drop from the top. Even if I remove and try to drag and drop, it will not allow me to do that. It will come only from the left hand panel, so that is okay. We have the different options. But always we need to save it. I will do it one more time without saving, and we'll see. So it doesn't update dynamically here, even if I'm putting, so I'm closing it and then opening it again. So I will lose because we have not saved. So I think on this Arduino can work on. So till we do not close the project, it should be remaining here as it happens in normal for the PLC. So this is pretty easy, and saving is a must. Once you save, it remains intact. So it's fine. So one program in FBD, let's try something different. So another language which make the ladder. Different options we have. So instead of creating any program, let's try something different. Function block, we will try create, and we will choose that as a programming language. So for function block, we will not get the task details anyhow, that is pretty known, because we need to instance that in some program, and then program only has needed to be put in the task. So for all the contacts and the coils, we will get different options which we can select. We can create directly the name, but it will not be created, I believe. It's just showing there variable. Same thing we can do for the coil. We will have the different options for the coil. So this is pretty good. It's directly getting it and just selection, the ladder part. Nowadays, normally most of the people are using a structure test, so hardly anyone will be using ladder. Pretty much, I don't prefer ladder. I mostly do try to code in the structure test. So let's define some variables and see how exactly it behaves. So here I'm not defining in the correct manner. So when we try to compile, I think let's check. Let's like this is the function block is created, and let's go and check the function block. So it should be appearing now in the list. Yes, so this is the list, and we can drag and drop it, give some instance name. Okay, so nothing is coming because our structure is not correct there. And let's try to switch it to grid, and it will emit error because I have not defined it properly. So I may need to define var input, var output, or local variables. So let's now remove it and go into the grid view. You can insert. So here it will be pretty easy for the new guys who are working. So different options we will get: var input, var output, local variables. So we will define some input, output, and then we will see how it gets defined there. Whenever we are not confident on a new ID, how exactly it should be structured, then we can go in the grid view and define, so we'll get all the options. And once you know, then we are good to go on the text side. So drag and drop here will create a new contact. It is not updating over that. This is a new branch. We can create, and let's play. So yeah, we can put it from one place to another. It is not allowing me to do the same. So I think we need to have the contacts, then only it allow. So only before and after the contacts, it will help. That I can talk about. We have the options to open before, after. All those options are there in the ladder. Create a parallel branch. These are pretty good. Now let's try variable. So once you put, okay, so it is not putting on that contact, but it is creating a new contact. That is different. So yeah, but it's fine. We will use this feature and get it defined and remove the features which are not required. See, totally checklist when we do. So we need to be pretty careful when we are working on the ladder. So this drag and drop options are not pretty handy, but that's fine. We can define variable directly by putting them. Now let's try to refactor it here and try to see if everything works. So it only do for the naming part, not showing the updated input output variables directly here. Okay, yeah, so it is not. So just refactor the name. So this input output variable is not showing. We'll delete and then we will update it. And and we have got the input and output variables which we can connect. So this is the way we can call the function block in another program. And yeah, that's all.